Okay, so in this video I'll show you how to quickly get into BIOS and boot from a USB if you're going to reinstall Windows or Linux or any other operating system. There's two ways to get into BIOS. One is through the Windows, one is through the boot menu. So I'll show you if you've got a working Windows, I'll show you how to do it. Simply click on Start, Power, hold the Shift button on the keyboard and click on Restart, and you'll get a menu come up shortly. Okay, so you will choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings, Restart, and wait for it. Okay, so that's one way to get into BIOS. But before I'll show you how to change the settings, so I'm going to turn this off. And now, to get into BIOS when the Windows is not running, you have to tap F2 key. So keep tapping F2 key, turn it on, keep tapping. Okay, so that's how you get into BIOS. Now I'll show you how to change the boot settings. So what you want to do, ensure secure boot is disabled. If it is enabled, you will not be able to boot from an external USB. Okay, that's the first step. And then you can change this. So what you want to do, have your USB plugged in. I've got mine plugged in. If you haven't, you'll need to reboot the computer and get back into BIOS. And what you want to do, change the priority. So I'm tapping enter, now I'm going to choose the USB, and just before that I want to check something else. Yeah, so this computer does not allow legacy boots. Okay, so what you can do also, if you don't want to change the boot order, you can also go to here. Once you've disabled secure boot, just tap the device you want to boot from. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I have disabled secure boot, as you can see. Go back, and I'm going to go straight into the USB I want to boot from. Just press enter. This way you don't have to come back into BIOS and change this boot order again. Here we go, let's go. Yes, it will go straight to the USB. If it is bootable, it will boot from it. This is the Windows 10 installation. By the looks of it, it failed. Okay, no problem. Let's do that again. This time I'm going to choose the I'm going to make the okay, so that's already disabled. Good. Okay, let's go boot override. Let me try this one more time. It should technically boot off the USB. USB is definitely UEFI, Windows 10, 21H2 I think it is. There we go, now that works. So you did need to save the changes and exit for a secure boot and then go back and then do a boot override. Okay, that's it. So then you'll continue installing your Windows. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.